Welcome back, art lovers. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of acrylics, an incredibly versatile painting medium. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting, this video will guide you through the process of using acrylics and help you unleash your creativity. Let's draw the subject that we want to paint on, and for this I'm using this felt tip marker with the pointed nib, and I will draw this cup, a teacup. Acrylic paints come in a wide range of colors, and the best part of this paint is that they dry quickly, allowing you to build layer upon layer to create stunning effects. Acrylics offer endless possibilities when it comes to color mixing. Experiment with blending different hues to create your unique shades. Don't be afraid to get creative and experimental. Always remember, acrylics are forgiving, so don't worry about making mistakes. Let your creativity flow and enjoy the process. Adding details brings your artwork to life. Use finer brushes to work on the smaller elements, and don't forget to step back occasionally to see the overall progress. Layering is one of the best features of acrylics. By adding multiple thin layers, you can create depth, vibrancy, and make your artwork truly captivating. Step back and evaluate your masterpiece. If you feel it needs something extra, add a little highlight or make it a little bit pop up. Congratulations! You have just mastered the process of using acrylics as a medium. Remember, the key to becoming an exceptional artist is practice and experimentation. So grab your brushes, let your imagination flow, and create wonders. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon. Also, share your paintings with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep painting.